infrastructure development. Under Kim's leadership, there have been efforts to modernize infrastructure within the country, including the construction of new highways, buildings, and recreational facilities. Denuclearization efforts. Kim expressed a willingness to denuclearize and engaged in negotiations regarding North Korea's nuclear weapons program, leading to temporary halts in nuclear and missile tests. Improved relations. Kim Jong-un played a role in fostering summits with South Korea's President Moon Jae-in and the historic meetings with U.S. President Donald Trump, which created an atmosphere of dialogue and reduced tensions on the Korean economic zones. Kim has focused on developing special economic zones, such as the Rason Economic Zone and the Kaesong Industrial Region, aimed at attracting foreign investment and promoting economic growth. Agricultural reforms. Kim initiated agricultural reforms to improve food production and distribution systems, with a particular focus on reducing food shortages and increasing self-sufficiency. Education initiatives. Kim has emphasized the importance of education and implemented reforms to enhance the educational system, including the establishment of new schools and the integration of technology into classrooms. Health improvements. There have been efforts to improve the healthcare system, such as the construction of new hospitals and clinics, the promotion of preventive care, and the eradication of certain diseases. Cultural diplomacy. Kim has showcased North Korean culture on the international stage, including the participation of North Korean athletes in the 2018 Winter Olympics and cultural exchanges with other countries. Tourism development. Kim has shown interest in boosting tourism in North Korea, resulting in the opening of new tourist attractions and the relaxation of visa requirements for some visitors. Limited market reforms. While still heavily controlled, there have been limited market-oriented reforms in North Korea under Kim's leadership, including the expansion of private businesses and the introduction of consumer goods. Youth policies. Kim has implemented policies aimed at supporting and empowering young people, including the establishment of youth organizations and initiatives to enhance their skills and opportunities. Family reunifications. North Korea has facilitated a few family reunification events with South Korea, allowing separated family members to meet after decades of separation. Nuclear testing moratorium. During certain periods, Kim Jong-un declared moratoriums on nuclear tests, reducing tensions in the region and demonstrating a willingness to engage in dialogue. Improved infrastructure in Pyongyang, the capital city of Pyongyang, has seen infrastructure improvements, including the renovation of landmarks and the construction of new buildings. Space program advancements. Under Kim's leadership, North Korea has made progress in its space program, launching satellites into orbit and developing its space exploration capabilities. increased access to information while still tightly controlled. There have been reports of increased access to foreign media and information in North Korea during Kim's tenure. Women's empowerment. Efforts have been made to promote gender equality and women's empowerment in North Korea, including the encouragement of women's participation in the workforce and leadership positions. Improve diplomatic relations. Kim has engaged in diplomatic efforts with various countries, leading to increased diplomatic ties and foreign visits, such as meetings with Chinese President Xi Jinping and Russian President Vladimir Putin. Cultural preservation. Kim has shown support for the preservation of North Korean traditions and cultural heritage, promoting traditional arts, music, and customs. Humanitarian aid. There have been instances where North Korea has accepted humanitarian assistance from international organizations and countries to address issues like natural disasters and food shortages.